and today we are doing the balance challenge. Number 1, feet together, eyes closed, and you try to stand as long as you can without moving your feet. From the moment you move a foot, that's it, that's your time. Now, this one is quite easy, so it could take a long time, but it's not easy for everyone. Older people, for example, they find it hard, and on average, they can do it around 40 seconds. Now, a more difficult one. To turn it into a real challenge, we're going to close our eyes again, but we're going to stand on only one leg, and we're going to fold our arms. So let's see how long you can stand with your arms folded, one foot, and eyes closed. That's the real challenge. Are you ready? So this is a fun challenge that you can do with your whole family. So you can even compare times to do it on your right foot, on your left foot, compare with your mom or dad to see how long they can do it. And research tells us that the longer you can stand on one foot with your eyes closed, the younger your real age is actually. So the younger you are, so the healthier you are basically. So let me know how many seconds you were able to do it and keep on trying to improve it. See you in the next video. Bye.